Hello, welcome back. It's me in my nerdy garden hat because I was actually just out in the garden picking more cucumbers. So, because I have a literal ton of cucumbers, and maybe you do too, I decided to make cucumber sandwich pickles. If you have not heard of this book, it is the Ball Blue Book for canning and preserving. There are tons upon tons of recipes in here that you can make and can things. There's even one for like ketchup and barbecue sauce, which maybe we will do because that sounds fun. But because I have so many cucumbers, I was looking through like the whole cucumber pickling section, and I have everything to make cucumber sandwich pickles, and I've never made them before. So that's what we're gonna do. We are gonna make cucumber sandwich pickles today, and we're gonna can them, and you guys are gonna come along with me and also learn how to do it. So yes, if you are new to canning, or just don't have this book, I highly recommend it. It teaches you the canning practices that you should be following, and has a lot of recipes. So, yeah, I think I found it on Amazon. I don't think it was very expensive, but it's definitely worth your time if you can. So, the first thing we're gonna do is take roughly 2 to 2.5 pounds of cucumbers, and we're gonna slice them. So, that's what we're gonna do. Let's go. Alright, so this recipe does only call for cucumbers, but I have some jalapenos from the garden that I want to use. So I'm going to make it like a sweet and spicy sandwich pickle, because why not? I have a lot of jalapenos in the garden, but I only have 4 in here, so we're just going to make it like slightly spicy. Okay, so because they are sandwich pickles, I am going to use my little crinkle cut knife thing because I bought it, so why not use it? And if you are interested in these, I got it from Amazon for like literally $4. So I am just gonna slice these up and throw them in a bowl over here that I have with the jalapenos. And this is just a heads up, you do need to let these slices sit in this bowl over here in water and salt, which I will give you the measurements for, in the fridge for 2 to 3 hours. So you need to set aside enough time to like let these sit in the fridge and then also process them. Alright, now I'm going to add half a cup of this pickling and preserving salt to a quart jar back here. And this is a 1/4 cup, so I'm doing 2 of these. And I'm going to fill this with water. And I'm going to stir this up until it dissolves and pour it over the cucumbers. And then I'm going to add another quart of water on top of that. And then I'm going to cover this and let it sit in my fridge for 2 to 3 hours. And then we'll be back. All right, now I'm gonna add 3 cups of vinegar and 3 cups of water. When I say vinegar, I do mean the white vinegar that's like 5% acidity or whatever. All right, I'm gonna bring that to a boil. Once it boils, then I'm gonna add the cucumbers and bring those to a simmer for 5 minutes. All right, I'm gonna let this boil for 5 minutes. All right, to this, I'm gonna add 2 cups of vinegar and 1 cup of water. And now I'm going to add 1 cup of regular white sugar. And I'm going to add 1 cup of brown sugar. Okay, I'm going to add half a teaspoon of mustard seed. Half of a teaspoon of celery seed, and half of a teaspoon of turmeric. And now I'm gonna bring this to a boil. Okay, off camera, I did go ahead and I simmered the liquid for 10 minutes because that's what it says. And then I went ahead and added the cucumbers, and now I'm gonna let it simmer, boil for 5 minutes, and then we will put it in the jars and process it. Alright, so I have had this boiling for a bit. I'm gonna try to put like the cucumbers in the jars and then fill it with liquid. I feel like that might be the easiest. I don't know, but we're just gonna give it a whirl. I have no idea. It says it makes 3 pint jars. I prepared 5 just in case. It might only make 3. I'm gonna process these for 10 minutes, and in the meantime I'm gonna go film my garden tour video, which is the video right before this. So in case you missed it and you want to see my garden, check out the video before this one. Alright, so I will see you guys in 10 minutes. There we go. Alright, it's been just slightly longer than 10 minutes, but that's alright. That's pretty good. So basically, I'm just gonna leave these inside. I will bring them inside, but I'm not gonna touch it for 12 hours, and we're gonna call it good. And maybe tomorrow we will try them for the camera. That way I can let you guys know if it's actually good or not. But anyways, until tomorrow, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Okay, so I went to the store to get groceries today, and I got Jonathan a sandwich. And spoiler, we did taste the pickles like literally just before this, and they're pretty good.
You tasted them before.
Yeah, but you just had one.
I just had one, but
yeah.
But you made it sound like you just had one.
I had one like 30 minutes ago.
Yeah. Even before that. You did it before you left.
No, I didn't.
You did?
No.
No, okay.
Yeah.
I don't know.
The only thing I'll say.
We need like a pickle fork.
A pickle fork? Did they make those?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, well, we need to
I mean, they're like the little
tiny.
Yeah. What is it called? For like the word I can't say.
Charcuterie?
Yeah.
Well, my mom says, crudité. That's what my mom calls it.
Is that something else or is said a different way?
I don't know. So the only opinion I have on these pickles so far, they taste really good. Like, they have a really good flavor. But I could see them getting mushy fast. So, we have 4 pints. We're going to have to eat a lot of sandwiches.
Or give them away.
Or give them away. I mean, they taste so good. I won't lie. They do taste good.
Yeah, but
Oh, you just
at least I didn't flip the plate on my head. I just felt like I was going to do that. Hilarious. I don't know why.
You're gonna get a pickle in there.
Mm-hmm. You can taste it.
It's good on the pickle, on the sandwich.
Yeah.
Well, I'm glad we have them then.
Yeah. Is it also as vinegar? And I think this needs some like more vinegar.
A lot of sandwiches need like oily vinegar.
Just a little bit, and then it adds, it. Good.
Okay, I'll make them again, but not till we're like done with.
What is this?
Jonathan be showing everything.
Just randomly shows up.
I went grocery shopping.
You're the one famous for getting coffee creamers and then drinking this much and be like, this is disgusting.
It's supposed to not be terrible.
Yeah, it's cane sugar. I mean, Chobani's always really good, so I'll try it.
So we'll try it.
Oh my goodness, I like sucked in when I did that. I made my nose itch. I don't like it.
Alright, well, on that note, we're going to end our video here. Jonathan's going to go eat his sandwich with his pickles and itch his nose. Alright, here's a view of Calvin before we go. He's just chilling on the floor like usual.
Do I hate life?
Yeah, he does. Alright. Bye!